All right, so welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a look at Adobe. Adobe is trying to find a bottom maybe. So I'm going to take a look at this and give you some insight. Keep in mind, none of those are recommendations to buy, sell, or trade, just my own personal thoughts and ideas. And if you want to grab my thoughts, you can check it out on our website by going to tradersfly.com. There's going to be a cool little link right here at the top to join the Discord group. You can also go to the freebies section, and there's a lot of great freebies if you go and scroll down, and you can check those out. All right, let's check out Adobe. Adobe is trying to create kind of a rounding bottom. That's kind of what people are looking at. And this is what I want to share with you, some insight, right? So this stock, if we go in and take a look, it's been moving on really well. Like overall, this stock's been doing fantastic, right? When you look at the support on a longer term trend, we've been holding support. The problem recently has been a few bearish problems. So you can see this bearish volume right there kicking in. That's not usually good. When we go into kind of the weekly trend, here's where the issues kind of lied. Here we were support, and then we had a break right here. Look at this volume build and descending. So we had a descend in volume and then a break right there with a growth in volume. Okay, on the sell side, and that's not good. So now as we start zooming in and looking at what's going on here, you can see we almost had a double top here. So that could be a little bit of a problem. And now, where's the stock trying to go? Well, we've got energy and momentum kind of heading into around 450. This is where that support is lying. And that's something that you might want to check out because this is where the good value. So this would be like a nice value buying spot for a longer term investor. Unfortunately, again, we got earnings 322. Be careful. So that's kind of one thing to watch. But other than that, the stock continues to trend lower. But this is on a weekly chart. Now, we've had a lot of problems here. Stair step. It's hard to see that on the weekly. So let's hop into the daily and I'll show you. So here, if we got A to B, B to C, kind of patterns here going on. And what you're noticing right here is it's starting to base a little bit. And this is what's catching my eye a bit because we've got a little bit of support at the 500, even though we broke it. And we're starting to try and find a base. It's starting to be a little more rounded. Rather than going a straight down, we're starting to create this little rounding horizontal area. And that usually means a little bit of a digestion and consolidation. So if we're starting to get that, I wonder when this will actually start turning, because what you want to start then seeing is kind of as we rotate, create lower or higher lows. And that's what we're really looking for. So right now we're trying to kind of get into that zone. I don't know if we're going to get there because the selling pressure and selling volume is still a little bit high. But you could actually start turning around here soon because from the highs, we are kind of oversold from a 32% perspective. And if you look at kind of just these 2 points right here, how they line up, watch this. Look at that. They're kind of lining up. So you're getting right into some support. Now, if we do keep going lower, there is some more support kind of nearby, but it's very fascinating to me that, we're pulled back quite a bit. And this brings us back almost till April. So almost a full year of gains kind of gone. And we're kind of back at a nice normal level from a $700 stock. Look, you were at 700 and people liked it then. And now you're at, 470 or so. So you had a huge haircut in the stock and in the price very quickly, and it kind of allows you to start nibbling on this, but make sure you have time to nibble between 1 to 2 months. Don't just get in on it all in one day. But that's some of the levels that I would watch right here in this stock and in this price level is that, hey, what can we do? And with earnings around the corner, it's something to watch out for. But if you're a long-term investor, I wouldn't stress about earnings as long as you're holding for, a couple of years. So anyways, I hope that helps, gives you some insights on the stock and some of the levels to watch. Keep in mind, if you want to grab some freebies, check out the Traders Fly website. We've got a lot of great classes as well when it comes to option trading. Risk arrays coming up right here this week, starting 9:15, 9:20 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to go for 3 to 4 days talking about options. So I hope you join me. Anyways, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.